This time, of course, I'd like to give the floor to our friends from the
Yes,
media if you want to
thank you
ask
po.
specific question.
Wag lang daw, Ma.
Miss MJ!
Thank you, Mare!
Sorry,
Ay,
hindi
sarang hair!
Parang buo na nga yung press con sa kwento.
Ko-army ko yan eh. O, di ba tumawid ako ng Madrid, mi? Mag-isa lang ako dun.
Sabi ko nga si Cares, manonood daw siya sa LA.
Ah, talaga? Naku, sana payagan pa ako ni Direk Coco.
Pero congrats kasi happy challenges ang nangyayari sa'yo. And where does the Spanish passport
Wow.
come into play? Diba? Saan nagaling yun? Bakit mo in-avail?
Oo, kasi di ba nagkaroon ng amnesty yung yung Spain. So all of like na merong mga families or kung may apelyido ka na but my dad's Spanish eh. So he has a Spanish passport. So before he passed away, parang andun yung Spanish passport. And my sister was like, sabi niya, anong gagawin natin? Sayang naman if we're not gonna avail it, diba? So we went to Spain and we learned that our grandparents are all from Andalusia. And may street pa doon, Muñoz. And Muñoz is not Muñoz. Muñoz. So, pagpunta ko doon, Muñoz ako. Like, Muñoz ako. Sabi ko pa, Muñoz, no, your last name is Muñoz. Sabi ko, syempre required din na mag-aral. Kaya sabi sa akin, nung nakuha ko yung passport ko, make an effort to learn the language. Sabi ko, I am. But in my head, I'm like, I'm studying Korean right now kasi nagagawa ako ng kumusta. Sabi ko, wait lang. Tapos, favorite ko naman anime, kaya nag-aaral din ako mag-Japanese. Ano ba yan? Dami na sabi ko. Na-require kami mag-aral ng Spanish. Pero pagdating ko dun, parang pagkausap ko na sila. Naintindihan ko na, si, entiende, pero no masablo. Parang, ano pa rin, very overwhelming. Kasi, alam mo, honestly, kahit na from Spain yung papa, parang wala akong trip pumunta ng Spain. Parang sabi ko, ano gagawin ko dun? Nagka-BTS concert. Sabi ko talaga, Austin, pupunta ako ng Spain ha. Tatawirin ko yung Dublin. Kasi dami namin Europe tour eh. Every year nasa may Europe tour kami. Sabi ko, bakit never ko tinawid nga ba yung Spain? Sabi ko, lagi ako sa iba pumupunta. Siguro, ngayon kasi, na talaga ako eh. I leave everything to God. So maybe this is the right time for me to go there. I don't know why, but I really had so much fun. So yun, nalaman ko na, we really have a family there. My aunt lives there in Barcelona. We have a place there. So, yun, nalaman ko na taga Andalusia yung lolo at lola ko. We have, para makakuha mo yung passport ko, marami kasi silang papers na hinihingi. So, including like marriage certificate of my grandparents. So yun, na-enjoy ko sobra. Parang, wow, ito na, I am connecting to my roots. So yun siya, Mari. Enjoy sobra. Tapos may BTS pa na sa Madrid. Wala. Si Via na siya, mucho picante. Yun yung name niya dun eh, nung concert.
Congrats.
Thank you so much, Mari.
And you're gonna have a movie,
May movie ba tayo?
diba? Or soon.
Niluluto. May niluluto. Oo, yes. Bakit? Ano sinabi mo kay MJ? Hindi ko pa alam. Ha?
Wala ba?
Meron niluluto.
That's
Meron.
nice. So ngayon na you're back in prime time, do you see yourself doing more of this? Since na-miss mo talaga, forte mo rin talaga siya. Umarte.
Sobrang ko na-miss, Mare, sobra. As in, pag sobrang nililook forward ko yung mga days na may taping ako, and usually parang pag kunwari nagsisimula ako sa anything that I do, medyo parang nagkaka-Monday blues ako. Pero ito, talagang excited ako gumising araw-araw kasi talagang na-realize ko that this is what I love to do. And to be surrounded with talented people. And you really see sila Direk Coco so passionate about what they do. And it really inspires me. Kasi sabi ko nga some people may misunderstand that. Pero that's what this industry really needs. Discipline. Talaga. Kaya when you get there on set, and these sets of rules that you really have to obey, ako sabi ko, okay to kasi we really need this in this industry. Paano nga ba naman natin matatapatan or makaka-level man lang you understand because you're also a fan of like Korean dramas. So how can we do that? That I'm so thankful kay Direk Coco for, implementing these rules on set. And yun, nadidisiplina tuloy yung mga artista. So yun, I really look forward. I'm sad like sometimes pag walang taping. Kasi nakasanayan na namin, magkakasama kami. And it's fun to be a policewoman. Na nasa set ako and I'm in that environment na kasi I also did Air Force. So wala, nakakamiss din talaga. So I'm grateful and I really hope this continues for a long time. Direk Coco po, maraming pong salamat. May 2 years pa po ba? 3? Charot. Yeah, kakasimula pa lang nagdedo. Hindi naman po, kung trip niyo lang po. Pero yun, Mari. I really look forward. Sana marami pang dumating na mga magagandang kwento. Yun na talaga yung hinihintay ko Kasi as a producer myself, we're producing movies also. Producing movies with Direk Neil de Mesa. So we have our own content. And every time na may nagagawang magagandang kwento, I'm so happy. Kasi that's my job. To tell stories. And I really have to master it. This is just the beginning. I hope.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mari.
Thank you, Miss MJ. So, who's our next? Chicanes. Dito na lang, Mare.
Sorry po.
Sorry, Mare,
Hey, mabuhay. Ayan. Pakwento naman yung experience mo watching the BTS concert.
Well, lagi na ako nanonood ng concert ng BTS. Minsan solo talaga. If not, I'm with my mom. So this time, galing ako ng Ireland kasi nga may show kami ni Piolo. Pag magkasama kasi kami ni Piolo, talagang chaotic He's my twin. So we have the same birthday, January 12. 12 years apart, but we are both dragons. Kaya sabi ko, oh my gosh, you really are my twin. Talagang my soulmate, Pagapi I love so much. So, sabi pa niya, saan ka pupunta? Ba't uwi ka na bukas? Hindi ako uwi. Mag-Madrid ako. Gagawin mo doon. Ng BTS. Huwag ka na naman yan. Nakailan ka. Sabi ko, bakit? Anong masama? And kailan ba yung last time ko nanood? Sa Korea, nung comeback nila. I was with my mom. So this time, I was by myself. And nandun kami sa ground and I was alone. First time ko gumawa ng fan sign po. Yung tinataas nila kapag kasi may moment po yun parang may army time. Yun tawag nila. Tapos itataas mo yun, ganyan. Tapos nakita ako ni Jean. Kasi pero nakalagay doon, Jungkook. Siya yung lumapit. Alam niyo yung kanta na yung kanta nila doon basta yung nagbabasaan sila. So, tapos pinasan niya ako ng tubig. Sabi ko, okay, I've been blessed. Para ako na holy water. Let's go! Ang saya-saya ko. Sobrang, sabi ko, nakalagay doon sa sign ko, JK, let's open Pokemon cards together, ganyan, and watch anime, parang ganun. Kasi he also watches a lot of anime, and I'm a big fan. He's watching, Cyberpunk Edge Runners. Really good. So, it was one of the books kasi first time ko nabasa ng BTS. Tapos sobrang lapit talaga ni Jimin tsaka ni J-Hope. Iba yung happiness na nabibigay nila sa akin sobra. Alam mo, before nag-start ako maging fan ng BTS, I was going through a heartbreak. So, talagang they really saved me that time. And now, here they are again, my 7 Delulu boyfriends. My 7 Delulu husbands making me so happy again. So, it's one for the books and at least masasabi ko napanood ko sila sa Europe. So, yeah, I'll keep supporting them and I'll keep on loving them. So, watch out for more concerts.
Like, manonood ka rin yung yung run nila here in the Philippines.
I hope po, I really hope if payagan sa work. But kung possible, I would love to see them in every country. In every country, why not, di ba? Kaya lang, baka maubos na yung pera ko. Ang mahal kasi ng ticket, di ba? Tapos, syempre, may flight ka pa, yung hotel mo pa. Ala, aray ko po, para lang sa ikasasaya mo talaga. Sorry po. Mga ganito po talaga. Mga army ka po ba? Ay, hindi.
Mabuti mo, no.
Bakit? Bakit?
Pero, dear, anong tawag dito? The reason why I asked kung manonood ka dito in the Philippines was, kasi di ba parang sabi nila, sometimes celebrities are being provided a privilege in terms of parang access or pass, priority pass, pagdating sa mga ganyan. How do you feel about it?
I really hope I'll get the pass. But you know, this time, BTS is sold out. We won't be able to get any tickets, no? So, I don't know. I'm just really hoping I can see them somewhere else, maybe. So, wala nagbabayad ako ngayon May concert nga panonood next week, nagbabayad na ako. Dati libre. Talaga nga. Dati nung bata-bata ako, every week nandyan ako sa Araneta, may libre kunwari. Ngayon wala na. Bayad na. Bayad na kami. Kung gusto mo rin manood, wala nang free. Kung gusto mo na magbayad ka, kaya lahat tayo dito guys, pantay-pantay. Oo, ha? Oo, no judging. Lahat tayo dapat happy. Sinusupport ko happiness yun, ha? At tagal ko na kasing army. Diba? Parang OG army ako, na parang ang tagal ko nang kumbaga hinahabol, hinahangaan, kung saan-saan. Malaki na nga nagastos natin dyan. So, ang ngayon siguro ganun pa rin naman po. Kung gusto ko manood, bibili akong ticket, di ba? Wala nang freebies po ngayon. Pero kung may kilala po kayo, matanggap naman po ako ng alay. Alay talaga.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
At last na lang, a little bit of intrigue lang. Kasi like recently about the Sigabo, parang some of the viewers are reacting to AI scenes of the series. How do you feel about? Or are
Hindi
you
ko
aware?
nga hindi ako aware.
Okay, sige.
Hindi ko rin po nakita. Ako nga bilib na pag yung trailer, wow, may AI doon. Hindi ko po talaga alam, hindi ako aware. Oh my gosh, hindi na talaga ako updated sa mga ganap. Ano po sabi? Ano nga sabi? Hindi ko nga alam. Hindi ko talaga alam. Hindi ko po alam. Ano sabi nila?
Yun, bakit daw ini-AI pa kahit
Anong
simpleng
AI?
scene like yung
Alin?
parang kasal nung dalawang Chinese, ini-AI pa, hindi naman action scene. Maintindihan daw nila kung action scene, pero
Well, ito lang ang masasabi ko. Because AI is gonna be part of our lives. So, for people who cannot appreciate and accept AI, may ipag-iiwanan sila. Okay, so because in our production company, we also use AI. It's a great tool to help us, kumbaga, accentuate a scene or something. But for those people who are not ready to embrace AI, baka mapag-iwanan sila. Yun lang masasabi ko. But I understand. People are still afraid of AI. But I was in an AI convention before. Sige, hindi ko na lang siguro dun dahil hindi ko naman ako aware na may ganong issue about Sigabo. But this is just about AI to explain further to people that, if you use it, you have to be ready because eventually, everybody can use AI na eh. So, instead na i-bash mo, hindi mo sundan, gamitin mo din because it's a really helpful tool in our everyday lives. Kailangan mo sumabay sa development ng buhay. Or else, wala, you'll be left behind. And I don't know, probably the Philippines is not ready for it, but I think it's about time. It's here, it's right in front of you. So, if you're not gonna make the most of it, walang. You'll be left behind. May ipag-iiwanan ka na ng panahon. Magka-40 na ako doon. Kailangan, syempre doon, kung ano na magpapadali ng buhay ko, minsan masakit na yung likod ko, tsaka tuhod ko. So kailangan, whatever will make my life easier, I'll grasp into it.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay ka na, Mars?
Yes,
And I think it's a high time to appreciate AI na kasi parang
Yeah.
even before, di ba yung mga ibang bansa, naging AI na rin sila eh. So,
Oo naman.
di ba naiwan na nga
Hollywood,
tayo actually.
I know. It's about time na pag-iiwanan na talaga tayo. You know, in Hollywood, they've been using it for the
Yes,
longest
for
time.
the longest
You think
time.
CGI is not AI? It's still
It's
there.
AI, yes.
Yeah, it's
Diba?
still it's gonna be part of cinema. It's gonna be part of this industry. It's gonna be part of our daily lives. Actually, you know, everybody's using ChatGPT. I'm against sometimes in school because baka minsan the kids are, you know, wala nang natututunan because tayo lahat we're all manual. But wala, kailangan mo mag-adapt.
Mm-mm.
If not, goodbye talaga. You'll be left out there knowing nothing.
Yan, oo, di ba?